Hi everyone, today we're going to make a next level hummus. This is better than the other recipe I've shared. The other recipe is really good if you're making a quick hummus. This one takes a little bit longer. I've got 400 grams of canned chickpeas and I'm removing the skin off these. That will take about 5 minutes. I add 1 clove of garlic into the blender along with the chickpeas, the juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and blitz that together. Then add a couple of ice cubes. This cools down the blender and also makes the hummus really smooth. Add some salt to taste. I also added a little bit more tahini because I felt it needed it. Blitz that up again, pour it into a bowl. You can see how smooth this hummus is. Make a well around the bowl and pour over some good quality olive oil. Sprinkle on some ground coriander or cumin or paprika, and it's ready. Enjoy!